What if I told you that you could build your own IIT Madras grade calculator in just 15 minutes using Python? The best part, you understand exactly why your grades are calculated the way they are. Let's decode IIT Madras mystery together. Hey everyone, I'm Aditya. Welcome back to Aditya Parmar Analytics. As an IIT Madras BS student, I know how confusing our grading system can be. That complex formula with graded assignment uses and enter score. It's like solving puzzle every semester. Today we are building a complete grade calculator that will handle both quiz calculations. This is our method number one, and this one is method two. Let's code. First of all, write while true so that we can run break a statement and make a variable with see, here we are using float so that we can use decimal value because marks can be in decimal value so that we are using it, and let's give a input enter average marks of best 10 weeks, and here graded assignment gets 10% weightage of our grade. Now creates a conditional statement if marks uh, greater than equal to 0 and less than equal to 100, so so that we can or anyone can enter valid number, and if you write invalid number then we will print a valid number so that no one can enter invalid like less than 0 and greater than 100. Let's create three more variable for quiz 1, quiz 2, and term marks. Let's copy paste it. This is for quiz 1 and this is for quiz 2 and this one is for enter marks. Let's give them unique name like for creating variables so we can use it. Here, this is for quiz 2 and last one is for enter. Let me select it. Now here we'll show what they have entered marks value and all. This is one is print out 50 equal to shine, and let's print summary, your score summary, and at the last same we will print 50 equal to shine, print equal to then what I'm doing. Let me see what I did wrong. Sorry, I forgot to make it a string. Let's print using if string. I I think you know about if string already, and your average marks of best 10 weeks. And here we will use curly bracket so that we can print a variable. It use curly bracket ZA all set. Now we will write same for every variable like for quiz1 and quiz2 and for interim. I crop it so that we can make video shorter. First of all, let's use this statement for max quiz1 and quiz2. Here we will write create a variable based score, and here we will use max quiz1 and quiz2. It will find which it will find which mask is greater than its will use it in our method. Now let's code using method 1. For this, we will create a variable method 1 equal to using the formula 0.1 into graded assignment marks. So we are using here GAA plus we know that we will multiply enter marks with 0.6 and multiply with end marks plus we will use here best score so that we can get this max value. Yes, here best score. Now all set. Now create the second using the second method equal to 0.1 GA, and let's see the formula 0.4 multiply with enter marks plus 0.2 into quiz 1 and then plus 0.3 into quiz 2. Now here method 1 and method 2 are ready. Now we will make a new variable so that we can get max score by method 1 or method 2. Let's create it. Oh, sorry, method 1 and now method 2. It will give us max score and let print it by using f string to your score according to method 1. We will give also a separator so that he can see how much he have or she have scored according to both. Let's copy paste it and change here to here to. Now we have already give a overview for their both score by both method. Let's print final score. Your final score, and it will give best score. Let's see everything is good in our code. Yeah, everything is all right. Now we will create a function which give us our grade. Define function get later. Now here we use as score column. Then if a score greater than or equal to 19, then it will give us grade is return. Make a string is all set. Just give me a few minutes so that I can complete it. Session. Let's let's recall this function. Here we will create a variable like getter equal to together, and we will use it for final score. So here we'll write final score. It is coming. Let me see. Is it still? It is not. Let me pull it down. Oops, sorry. We have made a mistake here. No, all right. Let's run this code. Then, oops, what we have mistake. So we forget to use column. Now, what the heck? While true. Sorry, I forget. Whenever we will use true, the T letter should be capital. Let's see references. Yeah. Let's make change true. It is not click. Sorry. And, let's copy it and paste here. Mm, Paste, use colon. Yeah. Sorry, guys. So what is not? Now we need all set. Enter average marks of mix. Forget to use colon. What the heck? What is showing same? Let me see. Is it so? My God. I forget there to change. While copy pasting, I forget to change input value. That's why it's showing like this. Let me change. And here uh, in school, everything is right. Was it? Now run it again. Mhm. There in 95. Yeah, you can see your score summary. Your everything is right. Oh, sorry, we forget to use like final score divided by 10. That's why it's showing like 90 point and all. Let me fix it for every. Let's check it again. Now we will write 678 and the last 95. Yeah, everything is right. Now our grade is this. That's pretty good. This is our final product. You will see there is no changes except this one. You can use up in there. There you can see your question what you have filled. Here is the input value and here this is a score calculated by method 1 and method 2. In our case, method 2 is best. So here in final score, sorry, we have got some error, but it's okay. Like here we can see, and our grade is this one. And here is message for us. I hope you like this video. If you like, then please hit subscribe button. Till then, bye.